She's a real deal diva, more than an Instagram model. Bad bitches love reposado, drinking out the bottle. I don't usually try and shoot no shots, but I can pass on her. Told them start a kind, let me I seen her ass on her. Playing mean, but she really sweet. My heart skipped a beat. In the club where our harmonica be, so I bring a part of the me. Top flow, presidential suite, and we 50 deep. Hold on T, could just stop the beat, let's get something to eat. If she tryna set a trap, then it's gonna work. I love you and all your baddie friends, boo, let's go to Turks. I don't want your Insta or your Snapchat. Add me